Bonjour, hello. It's not good morning, it's afternoon. So we just finished off another job for someone else. Got to keep the money coming in somehow. So we've been busy setting up. I'm going to carefully climb up the scaffold. Alan's already up here in place, setting up a lovely little workstation. So, as we know from the last video, the ring beam, bone dry already. It's really hot today, eh, Al?
Good morning. Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, yes. So yeah, real hot. So Alan,
That's me.
Uncle Al.
Hello, Uncle Al.
He's going to start building up the gable end, so I'll keep him supplied with materials. Whilst he's doing that, I'm going to fit the main water pipe. So watch this space as always. He's been working hard whilst I've been working away. Right, I've been out of sight prepping the wall plates, so I'll now lift them up and put them in position and temporarily fix them down. So when you're doing proper building sites, obviously you have scaffolding all the way around, lots of men to help out, so it's very easy. When it's just two of you and you're trying to crack on, you've got to come up with inventive ways of dealing with the situation presented before you. That sounded good, Al, didn't it?
Oh, not bad for a semi-preg.
Cheers. I'll get on with your work.
I need a lift here, mate. Come on.
Overcompensating. We think you're in danger. Hello.
Okay, yeah. Put it on something if you want. Look it on there. I didn't know that, me. Let's go to you.
Yeah. Just send it back and forth a minute just to get rid of any shit underneath.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, just a minute.
Okay.
That was easy, wasn't it? Right, I've come up here just to make life a bit easier because it's getting a bit awkward now. Did we mention this sweltering? Right, we're just about to put the last block on top, which will support the ridge beam. Ta-da! Ta-da! Right, that was a very hot day today. We've had to stop a little bit earlier because it's May Day and obviously it's a bank holiday for the French. We don't want to take the mick and upset the neighbours, so we're not going to make any noise because the next job's drilling the wall plates down, so we're going to leave that till tomorrow. Just to give you a sense of scale, Alan is only 3'5", but but that's one of the gable ends put up. Right, next time.